Wax Asset Template Instructional. 4. Wax Online Loader, 50 assets or less. And Wax Batch Loader, up to 500 assets. To maximize your experience, this video is best viewed in full screen. Let's begin. Right off the bat, you will be noticing 3 different color highlights for the columns within this template. Starting with the gray columns, these columns are solely for asset management. You can go ahead and disregard these gray columns. Next up, we have the yellow columns. The fields within these yellow columns are for your contractors to enter their data into. Lastly, we have the green columns. These green columns are for our operations section to enter their data into. If your contractors contact you for assistance on assigning asset types, please send them the asset type Excel list named Asset Types to help them out. This file can be found in the Asset Management Template email, also on the B drive, as well as Docushare. Finally, there are also links you can click at the bottom of this video to download your files. Questions, comments, concerns? Please contact Brian or Harry at the numbers below.